Hello everyone and welcome to this super quick video that we're going to do today. If this is the first time that we're meeting, hello, my name is Meshi and I am the person behind Align Plans, and today I'm unboxing this beautiful package from Baum Kutchen. So let's get into this. Okay, first things first, let's talk about both the journaling card as well as how they kind of do this beautiful job at wrapping up their actual receipt. It looks absolutely stunning. This card that you're looking at is embossed and it says, "Leave space for the unknown." Isn't that so true? Okay, now let's talk about the packaging here. As many of you know, they do such a fantastic job at wrapping everything up with like deep intention, which was actually one of the main reasons why I really wanted to just kind of shop their site and kind of get lost in all the things. So here we go. Can't make any promises, but I'm doing my absolute best to preserve the packaging as much as possible. I did remove most of the stickies off camera. I did not want to spend more time struggling here. So here we go. Let's take a look at the main event, the main things that I really wanted to show you. Let's get the packaging out of the way, and here we are. So the very first thing that you will probably see here is the actual holder, which was the biggest item and also the one that I was like the most excited about. Then we have a couple of patches. One of them is actually completely intended for that pouch that you're looking at. The other one says "Enjoy the journey," and I'm seriously contemplating on adding this to my traveler's notebook. I don't know if we're going to do that. And then we have a couple of stickies as well as some journaling stickers from the company called Plain. They give you about 3 sheets. Super nice. I also picked up both a weekly as well as a monthly insert that was a collaboration insert between Baum Kutchen and Traveler's Company, which is super exciting. The paper quality is totally different, yet still kind of the same, which I absolutely adore. So let's take a moment to do a quick little flip through of the weekly layout. As you can tell, it's very minimalistic, very minimalist printing that has been done on the inside. On to the monthly. I'm so excited about this. Even just like the paper quality is quite different than what you might be used to with your traditional traveler's notebook inserts. So that in and of itself was quite exciting to me. So on the back, it's very minimalist writing on the front, and then here is the monthly. Very similar in layout, but yet very different in quality and the overall feel of kind of what you get. On to the next insert. This was very special to my heart. This is their moment insert, and honestly, if you take a look at the video, you will kind of understand like the whole intention behind why I even purchased this. This is ultimately, I bought this for big moments, for big memories, for big moments that I kind of want to take some time to reflect back on in the future. It's printed on vellum, and it was inspired by the cherry blossom tree as it's blossoming within Japan. Very beautiful. As you can tell, like the small little petals, those small little white specks represents the petals falling, and each page kind of layers on top of the next, which again, like just the whole symbolism and the meaning behind it, very beautiful and very meaningful. And then the last insert that you're looking at here is "The journey is the destination." It has a craft insert with white dot grid. Very interesting. So I'm hoping to actually use that in the next year. And then let's take a closer look at the pouch. I actually thought that I bought this from the Superior Labor Company. I really didn't. Nevertheless, I still love it. It's ultimately designed, it's made out of fabric and is designed to kind of hold your planner and your stationery and your stickers and all of that good stuff in one place. And the fact that it's fabric means that I can actually put some patches on it. So this pretty much concludes my entire order, and it's not a very big order, but to me it has been a very meaningful and very impactful order nevertheless, so I absolutely love it. This includes the entirety of my order. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do. You can give me a thumbs up and subscribe, do all of the things to support the channel. And question of the day is, what is your favorite item that I have unboxed in this order? And thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video.